Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a video to audio on your iPhone. First, if you don't already have the Shortcuts app, head over to the App Store. Search for Shortcuts, the link is in the description, and download it. Once it's downloaded, open the app to get started. Next, go to the Shortcuts tab at the bottom of the screen, and tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap on the arrow at the top, and rename the shortcut to Video to Audio. This will make it easy to find later. Once you've renamed the shortcut, tap on the icon at the bottom of the screen and enable Show in Share Sheet. This is important because it allows you to use the shortcut from the Share menu in other apps. After you've done that, tap on Images and 18 more, and toggle everything off except the media. This ensures the shortcut will only work with media files, which is exactly what we want. The next step is to add an action. In the search bar, type encode and select Encode Media. Tap on the arrow next to it, toggle on Audio Only, and change the format to AIFF, as it's the best quality format for audio. You'll need to add one more action. Search for Save and select Save File. This will let you choose where to save the audio file after it's created. Once you've added this action, press Done. Now you're ready to go. To convert a video to audio, find the video you want to convert. Tap the share icon and select the shortcut you just created, Video to Audio. Choose where you want to save the file and press Open. And that's it. Your video is now converted to audio, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.